Wacker Neuson offers many solutions for projects in the concrete construction industry. In this video, we're going to talk about the AR26 and ARFU26 external vibrators, their clamping systems, and the best recommended practice for different concrete consolidation applications, and how these units offer consistent power and performance. Wacker Neuson external vibrators are designed for cast-in-place concrete formwork as well as light precast concrete jobs. These include areas that would be difficult to reach with internal vibrators, tall structures, or building structures with high rebar density. To control the AR26, we offer the FUE frequency converter and speed control unit. The ARFU26 is different because it runs on 120 volts and has a standard 3-prong plug. Wacker Neuson offers 5 different clamping systems that are easily movable and can be applied to practically any type of vertical forming system used in the industry. They all come with a safety strap and necessary hardware for motor installation. The SV4 and SV4L are ideal for most wood beam forms. The only difference is the jaw opening size. On the SV4, the maximum opening is 4 inches. However, the SV4L can open up to almost 8 inches to fit larger beams or form joints. The SV53 is a universal clamp that has a unique design with jaws that can be reversed to attach to either wood or steel beams, with different material on the face of the jaw. The SV54 is unique to a Luma beam and allows for easy repositioning along the beam. The SV5 will work on most gang forms, with the flange design fitting into the inside channel of the beam design. So what are the benefits of using the Wacker Neuson external vibrator system? The first major advantage is that it reduces the chance of operator error when compared to using internal vibrators. As mentioned earlier, we offer a wide variety of clamp sizes for many different job sites. The FUE allows for precise control and speed of the motors when coupled with the AR26 to allow for optimum results. Powered by an external 220 volt source, the FUE provides a 42 volt, 3-phase output to safely power the AR26. Finally, the units can quickly and easily be relocated to a predetermined location on the wall to eliminate downtime. The AR26 can be beneficial when consolidating concrete structures of many different thicknesses. For walls that are up to 20 inches wide, you can place the vibrators on one side and the AR26 will be able to get the job done. If the project is 20 to 40 inches wide, vibrators will have to be placed on both sides for proper consolidation. Finally, if the structure is more than 40 inches wide, a combination of both external and internal vibrators will be necessary to properly consolidate the concrete. To figure out how many AR26 units you need for your job, all you have to do is divide the length of the wall by 4 and add 1. So if you have a 12-foot long wall to consolidate, 12 divided by 4 is 3, plus 1 is 4 units. At a minimum, you need to have enough units to cover the first lift of concrete. However, most successful pours are done with 2 courses or more of motors. Here are a few recommendations for using the AR26 on a beam or standard wall form. Recommended spacing is 12 to 18 inches off the bottom of the form and 1 foot off the corner or end of the wall, and about 3 to 4 feet depending on the concrete slump. Each course of motors should be 3 to 4 feet vertically in pre-marked locations. Finally, we recommend that you vibrate for 3 to 5 minutes per course. Though runtime may vary based on the type of wall form, thickness of the wall, and consistency of the concrete. A test or mock-up panel is always recommended for any large concrete project. If you have any more questions about the AR26 external vibrator system, please visit your local Wacker Neuson dealer or visit our website at wackerneuson.com.